Most people don't even know these tools exist. But once you see what they can do, you'll want them all. This is LALSHOW. Let's get started. A whole warehouse of cordless technology has passed through our issues, but every time we find another version that surprises even the pros. Meet the Husqvarna T542iXP, the world's first cordless chainsaw with a top handle. This tool is as powerful as its 40cc gasoline counterparts. Thanks to its IXP 4-level protection, you can even saw in the rain. If you need to refill the chain oil, the built-in sensor will inform you. And if the battery dies, you can simply pull a replacement from another Husqvarna tool. Plus, this saw runs quieter and emission-free, making it ideal for arborists. The Husqvarna T542iXP sells for $827. Woodworking enthusiasts gather around. For $210, you get an extremely entertaining assistant called the Pioneer Trim. This tool simplifies operations like flush cutting, grooving, and hole preparation. The Pioneer Trim also provides added stability, making it easier than ever to cut circles from 1 to 30 inches in diameter. Its compatibility is top-notch as well. The Pioneer Trim will make a great addition to edge routers like the Makita RT0700C and DeWalt DCW600. Plus, it features M4 and M6 threads on the bottom, making it a versatile companion for a variety of accessories, such as a gearbox. Is that a light fixture? Will it not fade into the background among other releases? Not at all, because the developers have introduced several interesting features. The Koskiel 40R light fixture can be easily attached to almost anything, from a truck frame to a door. The craftsman can then adjust it flexibly by rotating it 360 degrees and tilting it 115 degrees. Power outage? No worries. The light will run on its built-in battery for up to 16 hours. Thanks to its maximum brightness of 3,900 lumens, it is visible even from 280 feet away. This feature makes it useful for motorists as well. The Coast CL40R sells for $100. The borescope continues to impress with its versatility. With its help, you can inspect the engine, explore the inside of an air conditioner, and even find treasure in a siphon. The borescope consists of a flexible tube with optics and a unit that displays the picture. The screen model, called the Depstec DS300 SE, features an ultra-thin 0.2-inch probe and a 16.4-foot flexible tube. The picture is displayed on a 4.3-inch color screen. 3 levels of backlighting ensure perfect visibility. A fully charged borescope battery lasts for 3 or 4 hours. This device is available for $56. These guide rollers are an indispensable solution for working with cables such as coaxial and fiber optic cables. The idea is to distribute the load more evenly, avoid damage, and pull the cable neatly over long distances. For example, the multi-roller MR36 has a roller width of 5.1 inches and a load capacity of 5,000 pounds. Additionally, hooks are built into the unit, and its curved shape is optimal for the cable to pass through bends. The Runpotec 10156 compact roller block is also a great option. It can support up to 3,300 pounds and is suitable for cables up to 3 inches in diameter. Protronic Plus is an electronic torque wrench from Norbar, a company with a rich history dating back to 1942. This experience is evident in their incredible wrenches. First, the engineers included an LCD display with a unique feature. When the wrench is in use, the numbers become larger and bolder for better visibility. Secondly, you can choose from 5 units of torque measurement with a maximum torque of 590 lb-Bat. Thirdly, the wrench has a slim memory capable of storing up to 50 presets for frequently repeated tasks. Additionally, the control error when working within 20 to 100% of the tool's capacity is only plus or minus 2%. Given these advanced features, it's logical that the price of such wrenches easily exceeds $1,000. The Slim Cutter G2 is a system specially designed for large porcelain stoneware slabs. It offers craftsmen the capability to cut lengths of up to 141 inches and handle slabs up to 0.30 inches thick. Being a manual system, it doesn't require a power socket, batteries, or any other power source. One of the standout features of the Slim Cutter G2 is its cutter, made of Victorite and coated with titanium carbide. This combination ensures a long lifespan. Additionally, there are 2 bags included for convenient carrying. However, the Slim Cutter G2 comes with a price tag of $2,321. Next is a classic tool for construction work, embodied in this gripper. It comes in handy when carrying blocks of concrete and natural stone. The tool weighs 5 pounds, allows you to set the width of the grip from 10 to 24 inches, and is extremely easy to adjust with a butterfly screw. The handle is curved not for aesthetic reasons, but to ensure the optimal position of the worker's back while carrying the blocks. The jaws of the tool are also curved for better efficiency. The gripper is priced at $35. The AGP C16 is a versatile saw designed for both dry and wet cutting of concrete. It uses a blade with a diameter of 16 inches and offers a cutting depth of 5 inches. With a power of 3.2 kilowatts, the tool is relatively lightweight at 21 pounds. Equipped with a vacuum port for dust collection, the AGP C16 is an excellent choice for indoor use, and it also allows for flush cutting. One of its standout features is the guide rollers, which reduce operator fatigue and can be removed without tools. The AGP C16 is available for $1,346. The name Black & Decker may not immediately ring a bell, but this company was instrumental in creating the tool used to collect lunar core samples during the Apollo 15 mission in 1971. Black & Decker continues to offer equally impressive tools for everyday customers. Take, for example, their 6-in-1 drill, which transforms into a screwdriver, router, jigsaw, sander, and universal cutter. All these functions are powered by a 20-volt Power Connect battery. Additionally, a case is included for storing hex keys, sanding pads, and other accessories. This versatile kit is priced at $200. The Gowan 177L drill driver from Works is a standout in the realm of cordless tools. Its distinctive feature is its 2 interchangeable chucks, each accommodating 1/4-inch bits, one for drill bits and the other for screws and fasteners. Switching between chucks is easy with just one hand, and safety is ensured as the tool will not operate if the chuck is improperly positioned. Compared to previous models, the UDVX 177L motor is 10% more durable and 25% more powerful. The drill driver operates on batteries from the PowerShare family, compatible with over 75 Works tools. It features 2 speeds, 9 torque settings, plus a drilling mode, reaching speeds of up to 1,700 revolutions per minute. With all these features, it provides everything needed for comfortable operation. And at $130, it offers great value for this versatile tool. Workers have a right to clean air, and Weller Tools smoke extraction units uphold this principle. The Zero Smog Shield Pro is remarkably compact, measuring 5 by 7 inches, making it ideal for placement on a soldering table, among other uses. It operates quietly, producing a maximum of 59 decibels of noise, quieter than a vacuum cleaner. Despite its size, the Zero Smog Shield Pro can clean up to 32 cubic meters of air per hour, effectively removing particles, gases, and odors. As a bonus, it includes built-in lighting for enhanced visibility in the working area. With all these features, it offers a valuable set of benefits for $279. Fast log sawing competitions are indeed impressive, and one of the key factors in the winner's success is excellent chainsaw chain sharpening. One effective tool for this task is the Schleifer Light. Used by a world record-setting competitor, this tool costs $216 and justifies its price tag with several key benefits. Firstly, it is suitable for both small chains, with a pitch of 1/4 inch and larger versions, including harvester chains. Secondly, there's no need to remove the chain from the saw, simplifying the sharpening process. Thirdly, the Schleifer Light operates on a high-speed plus low-pressure formula, which extends the life of the grinding belts significantly. With these features, the Schleifer Light proves to be a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about chainsaw maintenance, especially in competitive settings. When felled trees are falling with a rumble, you want to stand farther away. And it's great that foresters have the Val Remote. It is a unit that allows you to control a wedge at a distance. It is mounted on an impact wrench, and it is good because it can be paired via IR connection with any number of wedges. Furthermore, if a wedge is paired but not active, the unit is inoperable, which means the impact wrench can safely be used for other tasks. As for compatibility, the Val Remote will fit perfectly on some Milwaukee and Makita wrenches. So that buyers don't have to go through the hassle of searching, there are ready-made kits available. For example, the Milwaukee 1FHI WF34 clean wrench, remote control charger, and a pair of batteries sell for about $4,000. The Mingo is a brightly colored tool designed for marking wood, particularly useful for cutting trunks into equal lengths. Using the Mingo is straightforward. Simply insert a can of paint and choose the appropriate disc. The standard disc offers cutting options of 6 inches, 12 inches, or 24 inches, while additional discs provide options for 14 inches, 16 inches, and 18 inches. Mingo is simple, convenient, and effective in any weather condition. It's a tool that's sure to please sawmill employees and homeowners who use wood for heating. With the Mingo, marking a 30-foot trunk takes just seconds, and 1 can of paint can cover about 5 miles of marking. The Mingo, including the basic and 3 additional discs, costs $63. The Flint Span Messer is indeed a great tool known for its ease of use and safety features. Despite its elegant name for a wood splitter, its $117 price tag is justified by its durability and construction from cast iron, ensuring a lifetime of use. It is designed to handle firewood with a maximum length of 13 inches, making it ideal for woods like spruce, pine, and birch. In addition to its robust build, the Flint Span Messer boasts an interesting feature that sets it apart from others in its category. The TNT Rescue Systems team deals with tools like this. The sales team has emergency services in their sites, so the capabilities have to match. Let's take a look at what the Storm Surge series of tools can do. For example, the torches, even including the battery, weigh less than 66 pounds, but provide a cutting force of over 290,000 pounds. The modes with a range of 18 inches are also impressive. And of course, worthy of attention is the combo tool, which combines the capabilities of the 2 previous tools. That is, it allows both cutting with a gutting force of about 70 tons and unclamping particularly problematic elements. This template is useful for marking and aligning places for sockets and switches in plasterboard. The working length is 2 or 3 inches. In the kit, carefully put illustrated step-by-step instructions. A built-in level is responsible for accuracy. The main material is plastic, but the pull on the stop is made of steel, and on the reverse side of the built-in magnets are able to hold the frame caliper. Developers took into account the specifics of sockets in different countries and made a truly universal template. So the price is a little surprising. It's only $16. The issue continues with a simple but useful thing, a nail holder. Now both amateurs and pros don't need to risk their fingers. The nails will be held by a neodymium magnet. With unprecedented power, the manufacturer adds and clarifies. The holder won the Best Invention of 2015 Inches Award at the International Construction Exhibition, Ferra Forma. It is compatible with screwdrivers and drills. There are also options for self-tapping screws. The standard kit includes a handle just in the shape of a screwdriver, the holder itself, and a curved extension. And the price tag is a modest $15. Interesting fact about pizza. It was once even on the menu at McDonald's. Well, flatbreads are cooked with sauces and toppings usually in one of 3 types of ovens: steam, conveyor, and wooden. On the screens is the third option, also known as the Pompeian oven. This domed version with Italian roots is assembled on a reinforced concrete slab of brick and is easily distinguished by the chimney flue pipe above the entrance arch. One of the key advantages of Pompeian stoves is the speed of heating. 30–40 minutes and you can cook. And to fix the bricks in the process of work, masters, among other tools, use a movable stop fixed in the center of the future oven. The tool for renovation enthusiasts continues to be released. It will help to carefully remove baseboards, carpeting, tiles, and other finishing elements. Often they are adjacent to materials such as plasterboard, which can be easily deformed. This is where the clever shape of the tool comes in handy, allowing you to work with a hammer without fear. Traditionally, a non-slip handle is added, and as a bonus, a nailer is built in. Surprisingly, the tool is patented, promises that the applied force is evenly distributed over a large area, does not bend, does not break, and is created for life, concludes the manufacturer, and asks for $26. Next up is a tool for lovers of Swiss knives. The developers took the all-in-one concept and brought it to a new level. So the usual axe got the functionality of a saw, shovel, hammer and hook, and at the same time the handle made of carbon fiber reinforced nylon. This is the second version of the Miracle Axe. And compared to the first, the developers have added a patented two-stage locking mechanism, a stronger saw blade, a sharpened shovel, a coating, a Cyracut, and a couple more nice things. The tool weighs 2.2 pounds. The saw pleases with a length of 6.5 inches. For all this, you will have to pay from $260. Something similar was shown by the creative union of the company ZY Ag and the designer from London, Caspar Hamilton. It was he who came up with a special mount that allows you to put the right blades. And the 28 inches long handle combines natural wood and carbon fiber. A curious development for plumbers, roofers, and other professionals who regularly work with copper, chrome, and zinc. A soldering kit without gas or open flame. No more propane tanks and other complications. One Swiss company offers hot air soldering. The pros are many. The temperature is adjustable. Wind and dust are not a problem. It is easy to assemble and carry, and the environment is not polluted. A technical hairdryer with intelligent control is used for soldering, along with accessories, soldering iron, workpiece, adapter, and stand. The temperature range is from 40 to 620 degrees Celsius. Settings are shown on the digital display. The weight of the hairdryer is just over 1 kilogram, which makes it easy to work with one hand. The price is in the neighborhood of $1,250. And in the arsenal of this company, the latest developments in the field of shrink tubing processing technology. It is written that the device with screens is a proprietary invention, combining the classic variant of processing with a technical hairdryer and Osprey technology tied to airflows. From the advantages of shrinkage of 360 degrees at once, increased safety and consistently high-quality results, it is not even necessary to rotate the elements to be treated. The device consists of a base and a hairdryer. The manufacturer recommends the Steinel 2320E, but will describe that some other models will also fit. The total weight of the device is 8 pounds, and the price tag is quite appreciable. Only for the base, they want $1,194. About 75% of all damage to submarine cables is caused by human error, let alone land cables, as many people have probably tripped over them at least once in their lives. That's why for protection in a server room or on a production line, these braids are often used. The first one is called PlyoZip and offers diameters from 0.30 to 1.20 inches. The second is HelaWrap. Its developers have chosen a range from 0.30 to 1.60 inches. For ease of installation, both versions use a special tool with which even an amateur can cope. In addition, the braid allows you to remove the ends of the cable in the right place without tools at all. For example, if there is an excessive length. Finding in your wallet will have to find about $5 for installation before the tool and $9 per foot of braid. The next in line is the rough cutter. That is a tool for making technical grooves and furrows. It comes from Spain, and depending on the model, allows you to work with materials such as foam concrete, hollow clay bricks, cement, and gypsum coatings. Make grooves with a depth and width of up to 2 inches. With a weight of up to 17 pounds, it is comfortable to work even on large projects thanks to the successful ergonomics. Of the key advantages, the Spaniards emphasize speed. One master, when working with hollow bricks, is able to pass 26-24 feet in a day. And because of maintenance, it is important to remember only 2 operations: cleaning with compressed air at least twice a week, and general inspection every 100 hours. The price for the starter model is about $1,000. Another highly specialized tool designed for drip irrigation and hydroponics specialists. It allows you to install drip inserts at a speed of about 10 pieces per minute and is suitable for plastic pipes with a diameter of 0.60 to 0.70 inches. Drip inserts can be chosen from any make and model. The tool is easy to hold with one hand and does not require super skills. The manufacturer writes that this is the fastest and most accurate way of installation, so the price puts a solid $169. However, buyers will clearly be found because in Israel alone, up to 80% of fruits and vegetables are grown just with the help of hydroponics. The mechanical tile cutter is another seemingly simple tool, but one that also boasts patented solutions. It helps you to work with porcelain tiles up to 0.30 inches thick and allows you to work effectively alone, without suction cups and additional fasteners. The total weight of the tool is 17 pounds. When disassembled, it fits in a bag, and when assembled, it stretches up to 11 feet. Another plus is autonomy. No batteries, battery packs, or anything else. In addition, an anti-slip system is provided, and the tool is manufactured in Italy. The figure on the price tag is $1,050. The first one is designed for 264 pounds and, in addition to the retractable handle, has a built-in pressure gauge. The second one can withstand 242 pounds and offers a simpler system instead of a pressure gauge. On the retractable handle, there is a red wrist that signals the need for pumping. Both are suitable for smooth and textured surfaces. They have a diameter of about 7 inches. Holding the load will work for several hours. True in the more powerful handle is steel, and in the less powerful is already plastic. Perhaps the manufacturer is hinting that you should still give $145 for a cooler version. From working with nails and screws to maintaining railroads, there's plenty of work on that front too, as the coronavirus has caused European railroads alone to lose an estimated $55 billion in revenue. It's time to catch up. Special tools, such as a hydraulic track jack, help to maintain the tracks quickly and efficiently. The model weighs about 37 pounds and has a lifting capacity of up to 14,300 pounds, with a lifting height of 3 or 3 inches depending on the model. The lever is removable, there is a quick lowering mechanism, and the bright yellow housing can serve as a kind of reference point. Also in the work on the tracks, such shoes are actively used. They help to move the rails without the risk of deformation. Here, the weight is already greater, about 83 pounds, but the shoes are suitable for S49, S54, and UIC 60 rails. These are also used for cranes and other machinery in large production facilities. Lockheed Martin Fortis. Complex, massive construction involves hours of grueling operation with really heavy tools. Their weight easily exceeds 24 pounds. In the past, workers simply had no choice but to take frequent rest breaks. But they were still tired. Work was slow, and because of fatigue, people were more likely to make mistakes. Today, fortunately, things are slowly changing. The American military-industrial company Lockheed Martin has introduced the Fortis exoskeleton to the world. This futuristic design may look like something from science movies, but it brings a lot of benefits. Metal rods take the weight load on themselves and then transfer it to the floor. Thus, an operator in an exoskeleton can lift objects weighing up to 50 pounds, but feel them as if they weigh nothing at all. The metal part at the back is a kind of ballast, which additionally frees the back. Numerous tests have shown that Fortis reduces the strain on human muscles by as much as 300%, and this in turn allows you to significantly increase your productivity. A 2-hour shift that used to exhaust 4 people is now done by 1 worker who is willing to work even longer without a break. Yes, walking in it is not too comfortable. You feel clumsy. But standing in one place and working is just fine. Hilti SDT9. And here is this equipment designed for fixing cross slabs and frameworks. This is a high-performance vertical adapter. Model SDT9 from Hilti. It uses screws in a strip, with a magazine capacity of 25 pieces. Minimum screw length is 0.70 inches. Maximum is 1.50 inches. The SDT9 allows you to drive screws many times faster and work in a comfortable standing position. The operator is less tired and therefore more productive. Hilti DD 200G02. Concrete, brick, stone. These are all extremely tough, hard materials that not every professional tool can handle. If you work with these materials for a long time on a construction or repair site, you simply cannot do without such equipment as a diamond drilling machine. These are rather large machines that consist of several important parts: the crown, the drive, and the stand. The crown is a working tool that digs into the material, creating a hole in it. The drive is the part that puts the crown into action. Well, the stand is needed to hold the working tool in a fixed, stable position. It should be understood that the weight of diamond installations exceeds 60 pounds, so it is not possible to hold them in your hands, of course. The model you see on the screen is called DD200G02. A company from Liechtenstein called Hilti is producing a similar one. It is ideal for medium to large holes, working in a range of diameters from 1 to 19 inches. The unit is best suited for drilling concrete, as shown in the video. 90-degree impact wrench kit. The next tool we're going to talk about is a surprisingly compact, easy-to-use impact wrench developed by the American company Klein Tools. Traditional ways of tightening nuts are simple and versatile, but the rhythmic movements that have to be repeated more than once during a shift put serious strain on your shoulder and wrist. If you look at the wrenches on the market, you can see one thing all models have in common: bulky. You have to work in an uncomfortable position, and again overstretching your arms. The Klein Tools wrench is devoid of all the described disadvantages. It has a low weight of only 11 pounds and a minimum length of 11 inches. Thus, workers do not have to extend their arms unnecessarily. The tool copes with its tasks quickly and playfully. The number of revolutions per minute reaches 1,800. The nutcracker creates a force of 90 pound-inches. So it is suitable for installing fasteners not only in wood, but also in metal and concrete. Additional advantages: built-in light, so that the work does not get up even with the setting of the sun. Yeti Tool Smart Bench. Of course, we simply could not pass by such equipment as numerically controlled milling machines. These are high-precision machines designed to cope with the most complex work in a short time, and to do it extremely accurately and qualitatively. We are used to thinking that this is a complex, huge equipment that takes up a lot of space. And in general, this is really true. However, there is an exception to every rule. Last year, the British company Yeti Tool presented the world's first milling machine, which can be assembled literally in 5 minutes. Such efficiency itself does not adversely affect the power of the quality of the finished work. Relatively compact size does not constrain the technological capabilities of the equipment. Processing accuracy is guaranteed. The error does not exceed 0.0050 inches. The machine works with soft and hardwood, composite materials, various types of plastic, soft metal like aluminum, copper, and brass. It weighs 190 pounds, is about 9 feet long and 5 feet wide. The available working area is quite a bit smaller than the described dimensions. The machine has the simplest software so that it can be used not only in workshops and factories, but also in schools. Powermatic PM 2820. Drilling, a task that has to be done all the time during renovation, construction, and product creation. But it turns out that not all work can be accomplished with the most standard of conventional drills. For example, you are unlikely to be able to make a lot of small, up to a centimeter in diameter, identical holes in a rigid material. It is in such cases that a drilling machine comes in handy. It creates through holes as well as blind holes. In addition, it can handle countersinking, cutting, reaming, and many other non-standard tasks. The PM 2820 from the American company Powermatic is a powerful high-tech machine that boasts many advantages. An enlarged molded base adds stability. LED lighting improves visibility, eliminates the possibility of shadows on the work surface. Thanks to its uniform torque, the machine is suitable for a wide variety of materials. It can be operated at low speeds from 150 to 870 revolutions per minute, and at high speeds from 600 to 3,600 revolutions per minute. Laser pointers are responsible for the high quality of work and precision. Festool's CT48E AC HEPA CleanTech. All drilling tasks are potentially dangerous for humans. And it's not even the risk of injury to a limb. It's the fact that during work, the air is filled with a large amount of dust harmful to the body. It is for this reason that the Festool dust extractor has made our list today. Not only does it significantly reduce health risks, but it also helps keep your work area clean. But that's not all. This particular model compares favorably with its competitors with its automatic filter cleaning technology. It helps to maintain a high, stable suction power and frees the operator from the need to spend time cleaning the filters. Milwaukee M80 Packout. The latest invention we are going to show you today is not exactly a tool, but it will still come in handy on any construction repair site. It is a multifunctional device that can charge gadgets, as well as illuminate the work site. Developers of the American company Milwaukee equipped the box with 3 independent bright lights that shine in one or different directions. The rechargeable battery is powerful enough to keep it running for about 30 hours.